Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chaga mushroom powder. First, understand that chaga powder is versatile and can be added to many beverages and foods. It's a convenient form to access the mushroom's properties. We'll cover simple preparation methods, ensuring you get the most out of your chaga. Remember to always source high-quality powder for the best experience. The most common way to use chaga powder is by making a comforting tea. Simply add 1 to 2 teaspoons of chaga powder to about 8 ounces of hot, but not boiling, water. Let it steep for at least 5 minutes, or even longer for stronger brew. You can strain out the powder or consume it directly. Feel free to add a touch of honey or maple syrup for taste. Chaga powder isn't just for tea. It's incredibly versatile. Try blending 1 teaspoon into your morning smoothie for an easy nutritional upgrade. You can also stir it into your coffee or hot chocolate, adding a unique, earthy depth to your favorite warm drinks. Some even add it to savory dishes like soups or stews, integrating its benefits subtly into meals. Chaga mushroom powder is valued for its rich antioxidant properties and potential to support overall wellness. For best results, incorporate it consistently into your routine. Listen to your body and adjust the dosage as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.